हे गाइस, माय नेम इज देव एंड वेलकम टू देव मूवी रिव्यूज। आज मैं रिव्यू करूंगा तमिल ओरिजिनेटेड मूवी असुरन। असुरन का मतलब होता है असुर, शैतान। इस मूवी में दिखाया गया है कि आदमी को जब गुस्सा आता है तो वो कैसे शैतान बन जाता है और उससे गलतियां हो जाती है जो उसको जिंदगी भर भुगतने पड़ती है। मुझे लगता है ये मूवी हॉलीवुड के लेवल की बनाई गई है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली दिस मूवी इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन हिंदी, but again I always say that language should not be barrier in watching good movies. You can watch this movie on Amazon Prime with Hindi English subtitles. इस मूवी में लीडिंग रोल्स पर है धनुष, मंजू, केन करुनास और आदुकलिम नरेन। बात करते हैं स्टोरी की। तो धनुष को बहुत एक बूढ़ा और शराबी दिखाया गया है। वो रात को शराब पी के कहीं पे भी सो जाता है। वो एक किसान रहता है और उसको बहुत गरीब दिखाया गया है। वो अपनी बीवी और 2 बच्चों के साथ रहता है। उसका जो बड़ा बेटा है उसको बहुत गुस्से वाला दिखाया गया है। वो जो गांव में रहता है, वो गांव का सरपंच धनुष की खेती हड़पना चाहता है और वो उसके पीछे रहता है और धनुष को हमेशा तकलीफ देता है। लेकिन धनुष को बहुत सीधा सादा दिखाया गया है। वो बहुत शांत रहता है और हमेशा हाथ जोड़े रहता है। धनुष मारपीट से दूर भागता है। One day, धनुष elder son gets in a fight with सरपंच son and सरपंच son get hurt very badly in the fight. Sarpanch is a powerful person in the village, so he kills Dhanush elder son. Well, the younger son gets mad and asks Dhanush to take revenge for the murder of his elder son. But Dhanush does not want to fight with anybody and he asks his younger son to stay away and move on in life. But inside, Dhanush still feels very sad for the murder and cries a lot. So then the younger son gets mad and then he goes and kills Sarpanch. Since Sarpanch is killed, Sarpanch's relatives and friends try to hurt Dhanush and his family. So for safety, Dhanush and his family flee the village, but they get caught and the goons try to kill Dhanush younger son. But then Dhanush comes in between and kills all the goons that try to kill his son. He kills them in such a demonic and brutal way. By looking at it, his son gets very shocked to see that his father turns from a simple guy to a very brutal and demonic person. Then Dhanush tells a story to his son of his childhood and how because of his anger, his whole family had to pay the price. Watch the movie to see if Dhanush returns to his village, whether he turns back to a simple man leaving his anger behind, whether he can save his family, whether he would go back to his normal life in a village. बात करते हैं एक्टिंग की। धनुष has done a fabulous job and he got a lot of awards for his acting. Manju has played his wife role and has done a great job. She also got Best Actress award for this movie. बात करते हैं डायरेक्शन और स्क्रीन प्ले की। So the director of this movie is Vetri Maran and he has also written the screenplay. Vetri Maran did an outstanding job and he has won a lot of awards for this amazing movie. The screenplay in this movie is very tight. You will not get bored in this movie. बात करते हैं बॉक्स ऑफिस कलेक्शन की। So this movie was released in 2019 and the budget was about 32 crores and it did about 100 crore business in the box office. This movie has won many awards. They said this movie should have been nominated for an Oscar. बात करते हैं रेटिंग की। So guys, I would like to give this movie 4 stars out of 5. This is a blockbuster movie and you really should watch this. Guys, this movie is available on Amazon Prime Video. You need a subscription of Amazon Prime in order to watch it. If you have a subscription, then click the link in the description below and it will take you to the movie. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload any new video, and do not forget to share with your family and friends. Thank you.